In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Firebase for your web, Android, or iOS app. We'll walk through creating a Firebase project, registering your app, and adding the configuration that lets your code securely talk to Firebase services. By the end, you'll be ready to start using tools like authentication, Cloud Firestore, and cloud messaging. First, head to the Firebase console and sign in with your Google account. Click Add Project and enter a clear, memorable project name. You'll see Firebase generate a project ID. You can edit it now, but remember, it can't be changed later, so choose carefully. If you want richer analytics and features like cloud messaging reporting or A/B testing, toggle on Google Analytics and pick an existing analytics account or create a new one. Click Create Project, wait for the setup to finish, then hit Continue to land on your project dashboard. Next, connect your actual app to this project. On the project overview page, choose your platform by clicking the web icon, the Android robot, or the Apple icon. For a web app, provide a simple nickname so you can recognize it later. For Android, enter the exact package name, also called the application ID, from your app-level-build.gradle file. For iOS, enter the bundle ID from your Xcode project's general settings. If you're building for Android and plan to use features like phone authentication or Google sign-in, add your SJ1 certificate fingerprint now to avoid issues later. When everything looks right, click Register App. Finally, add Firebase's configuration to your codebase. Firebase will generate a configuration that includes unique, non-secret identifiers for your project. For web, copy the provided Firebase config snippet and paste it into your main JavaScript or HTML file before any Firebase product calls. Install the Firebase SDK using your preferred method, such as npm install Firebase or a script tag, and initialize Firebase before you use any services. For Android, download the Google Services JSON file and place it in your app module's root directory. Make sure the Google Services Gradle plugin is applied. Include it in your project level build, apply it in your app level build, and then sync. When you add Firebase products, use the Firebase bill of materials to manage versions consistently. For iOS, download the Google Service info.plist and add it to your Xcode project using add files, ensuring it's included in your app target. Then integrate the Firebase SDK via Swift Package Manager or CocoaPods and build to verify everything links correctly. That's it. If something doesn't work, double-check your package or bundle ID, confirm the config file is in the right place, ensure the plugin and SDK are installed, and for Android features, verify your SHA1 is added. You're now set to start using Firebase in your app.